and welcome to today's Cosmology segment. We've streamed it live to Twitch at twitch.tv/smAsho. If you're watching at any place besides there, you would have been able to see it first, and you would have even gotten the notification. Try downloading the Twitch app. It's free. It's the ultimate live streaming platform. If it's good enough for gamers, it's probably good enough for you. It's certainly good enough for me, although I am a gamer. First item of business here is the astronomy picture of the day. So you're probably wondering what you're looking at there. Well, this is M31, but what the heck is this? Is that a lightning bolt from Nibiru? Well, nope, it's just a Perseid. So that's a meteor that's only located like 100 kilometers away, and this is located millions of light years away. It's M31 and a Perseid, the astronomy picture of the day. You can go look at it yourself at apod.nasa.com. apod.nasa.gov, rather. Yeah, apod.nasa.gov. And if you've got Perseid stories, leave it in the comments. So today we've got an interesting object here to feature. It's Zeta Andromedae. Yes. So we picked a random number here using our random number generator, and today's random number was 17. Zeta Andromedae. It's an object at the Neil Gehrels Swift Observatory. And this is a special type of eclipsing binary known as a beta Lyrae binary, and it's a type of catastrophic variable with a very tight orbit and a shared plasmasphere around Lagrange point 1 of both stars. So Zeta Andromedae, there's an article on Wiki about it if you want to read about it. Located in the constellation of Andromeda, obviously. So M31 showing up as a theme here, the Andromeda Galaxy in our Cosmology segment. And this particular binary system is an eclipsing binary. We're looking right across the ecliptic plane of this system. If you want to read about that, head to Wiki. And again, beta Lyrae systems are systems with a very tight orbit. So this one's only got, I think this actually tells us the orbital period here. The orbital period's only 17.77 days. So this is kind of a little visualization of what you'll see in this kind of a system. There's sort of a shared plasmasphere as plasma is constantly exchanged in between the two stars. And of course, the orbit has something to do with that, in that orbits are not circular. They're elliptical. And so you've got a perihelion and an aphelion, a close point and a far point. And of course, that affects how much plasma is being exchanged and so on. Also, the activity of the individual stars has an effect on things. They do produce star spots. Beta Lyrae variables. So here's Zeta Andromedae. We'll look at it in a few wavelengths here. This is the infrared spectra from the 2MASS. So this is going to show you a pretty homogeneous heat signature here. And we'll go up the electromagnetic spectrum wavelength. So that's infrared. Let's go up the wavelength a little bit here to visible. There's visible light on the pan-stars, and you can see how irregular the center of that system is. And that has to do with the fact that, well, these are still images, and you're looking at a very dynamic system, an eclipsing binary. Next, we'll look at the Galix. And there's an indication of the shape of that plasmasphere, and you can see it is a little bit off-center there, an indication that it is indeed a binary system. And that's today's Cosmology segment. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news, and thanks for leaving a comment, John.